Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete first border from first page. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my many blank document. Now I add borders to this all document. At first you have to select these borders. Then go to insert menu. Now you can see here are headers and footers option. Now click headers. Then select this border. Then align these borders to header like this. Now you can see I add these borders all page. Remove Now I delete border from first page in these documents. At first you have to select these borders. Then go to insert menu. Select this page, then go to insert menu. Then here are break option. Then click page break. Now you can see here are page break. Now double click on this header, then click different to first page. Now you can see I delete border from first page in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.